guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can upload a bank statement on your Crunch accounting software. To upload your statement, go to your banking, accounts and cards, and select under which account you want to upload your statement. In my case, I will go under current account personal, click on upload a statement, choose a bank account. In my case, I have selected already personal, upload the statement. I will choose a file. In my case, it will be this, open, and click upload. Okay, when you scroll to third section, this is where system asks you to preview your uploaded file. Make sure that you have selected correct headers, either they need to be ignored or you have added date, reference, and notified if or let system know if money is paid in and paid out on the same column, or it's split out in two, or which column will be a balance. If you will not add balance, for example, system will not allow you to upload your statement. So you need to make sure that these headers are definitely available on your statement. So in my case, first one is date, then there is a reference. I would ask to ignore my sort code and bank account, and then I'm making sure that this column is money paid in and this column is money paid out. So, and there is a balance, which is correct. And once you're happy, click import statement. If there will be any queries, pop-up message will show that will give a warnings what is wrong. For example, if you have missed column called balances, so in that case statement will be not uploaded. Once you're happy, you can import and start reconciling or cancel. In my case, I will click import. Okay, statement been uploaded. So when I go back to accounts and cards, there is under my where often it was upload a statement. Now I have match now to reconcile my bank option. So this is a way how you can upload a bank statement on your Crunch accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the link in the description section below to my complete Crunch tutorial, where I am going through the whole process of setting up myself on Crunch until the very last step of preparing that very important self-assessment return.